Hello friends, I welcome to all of you in this new video. Today I am going to explain about the topic Mooli Kit clothing reviews. Is Mooli Kit legit or a scam? Friends, this is not our website. If you have never ordered anything from this website, this unbiased review will help you in deciding the answer of this question: should I buy from it or not? If you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till the end. I will share the way to get your money back. This website is very prominent in United States. Friends, this website is offering men's clothing like jacket, coat, caps, belts, cargos, gloves, masks, etc. So, now let's go to their payment policy. So there are few payment methods like you can pay through PayPal, MasterCard, Visa, Bank, GiroPay, Discover, etc. Now let's move to their shipping policy and shipping time. Free shipping on orders over $69. How soon will I receive my package after my order is placed? There are two key factors, that is item processing time and shipping method. So here the delivery time is given according to your country. So you can check it out. Friends, before going further, I request you all to please like this video, share, and if you have not subscribed our channel yet, please subscribe our channel today. This will boost our spirit to bring many more such informative videos for you. So now, let's talk about those important points on which we can judge this website as a legit or a scam website. So, friends, this website uses HTTPS protocol, that's a positive sign. Also, I have checked on WHOIS. This domain name was created on 21st September 2020. So this is a very new website. So we can't say more about this website. Also, I have checked on Trustpilot. This website has 0 reviews and that's a very negative sign for this website. Now let's go to About Us section. Their name, the moolikit.com, they have created a online shop to help their customers step with women fashion. They couldn't have done it without the sense of fashion and quality of clothing in their stores, distribution centers and corporate office. Take a look around. They think you'll like what you find. So here they have given their email ID and their phone number as well. That's a very positive sign, but there is no social media account information. That's a very negative sign, friends. So let's check out the prices now. There is no discount going on some items, and on some items there is discount going on, and the prices are good to be true, but there are some grammatical errors on the website. Also, let's now check out their return and exchange policy. So they have a 30-day return policy, and if you have any complaint you can contact them. they can substitute and bring back the defective. To them, you can go and give them the defective piece and get a new one. You can exchange your items if they are defected. Now let's see contact us. So you can give your first name, last name, email ID, order number, subject and message, and they will contact you, or you can email them or call them. They have given their email ID as well. So on the basis of the above checkpoints, we can say that this website is potentially scam. But friends, please tell in the comment section below your experiences about this website. If you have any encounter over this website, you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Do comment your thoughts about this video. We read all your comments over every video every day, so keep commenting. Please like this video, share, and if you have not subscribed our channel yet, please subscribe our channel today. Be informed and be safe.